What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel GD180, as you all know by. Right, before I get into the video, I'm sorry for not many uploads lately. I just haven't been doing YouTube lately. I've been fed up of it. A couple of things changed. I stream mostly on Twitch, on Daniel GDM180 underscore YT, link in the description. So I mostly stream there now. I want to, as again, I'm sorry for not talking now, it's late at night, but yeah, we'll get into the video. So I thought I'd do a video I haven't done in fucking ages, what is an OBS tutorial video, but I last did one over 2 years ago. So the difference is today I'm doing the best 720p 30 settings on nvenc. It's NVIDIA's like graphics, like x264, but it's NVIDIA's version. So the first thing is, what you want to do is install OBS. The link in the description. It can download this and it'll download the latest version. Or when I'm recording, it's 27.3.1. So when you know OBS, it will be the exact same as this, a blank screen. So when you get to OBS, it might look a bit in your face, but don't worry about it. So the first thing I do, I'm going to go to settings. So on general, just leave it plain. You're good. There's nothing to change here, unless you want to change the theme. Right, on stream, you pick your streaming service. So Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, Restream, and Twitter, or more. We have so many. Like Jesus. Twitter. But yeah, I'm gonna pick. I stream on Twitch, so I'm gonna pick Twitch. And you can connect your account or use stream key. I'll put my stream key in there. I haven't got my stream key. I'm not gonna show on the stream. So yeah. So next thing, I'm gonna go to output, and when you input output, go straight to here. Go to advanced. Once you're in advanced, on your coder, press NVIDIA nvenc H264 new. That's basically NVIDIA's new one, the best streaming encoder for graphics cards. It's way better than AMD's. AMD's fine, I've used it, but NVIDIA's made for it, because on the graphics card they have a separate chip. So for rate control, CBR, put in 6000. I've always used 6000. What is the max for Twitch? For like standard people, when you're partnered, you can go to about 8K, but just put it at 6, you'll be fine. And then for the keyframes interval, put that at 2. Preset, put it to quality. If you're having difficulties, come to here. This is the first tab you change when you're having, say, PC lag or anything. Just put this down and down. Don't go lower than max performance. It's the lowest. None of these don't do fuck all. Don't go max quality. Just make you'll get issues. Quality, it's a good point. Good sweet spot. Good quality. What most people use. For profile, high, always high. You shouldn't be using anything else. High, always. Then leave the rest default. For recording, I recommend MKV. So for the coder in video, so these are the quality settings I use when I record in 720p30. Obviously this video is in 1080p60, but it's different. This is what I use when I do 720. Rate control CQP, which is basically variable bitrate but better. Quality level 20 I use. Totally fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I've never had issues. But if you do notice your quality is bad, just put that lower. Lower is better, higher is worse. Keyframe 2, put that to 0 because you're recording. Preset high, preset quality, and the rest default. For audio quality, 320 on all of them. You shouldn't be using it no lower. It's 2021 for fuck's sake. Just do 320. Sounds the best, everything like that. And audio is the most important part about your videos. Buffer, leave it unticked. Unless you use buffer. We put buffer. I'll put a video out soon about that. Audio sound rate 48 kHz. It's 2021. You should be using 48 minimum. We're not CD days anymore. Test audio default. Mic audio default. Unless you want to go in it and pick mic. The rest of them, leave them default. They're fine. Video based cameras, you do this to your monitor. So if you have a 4K monitor, put it 4K. If you have a 2K, put it 2K or 4K. Or if 1080p, put it 1080p. Output scale, we're doing 720, so 720. 1280 by 720. Downscale, if you've got a good PC, do those samples. And those 36 samples. It's the best quality, and you'll never have issues. Frame rate 30. We're doing 30. You could go to 29.7, just do 30. We're not using cameras. Advanced process power high is the best for your PC. Color space 709, and the rest of them leave in default. Then press apply. And that's it. And one little more tip I recommend you do is go to output, go to recording, do different audio tracks for your mics. So I recommend recording 1, 2 and 3, because what that's going to do, if we go here, so track 1 is our streaming track, so we leave track 1 on. Then track 2, number 2 is going to be a desktop there. Then for the mic, track 1's our stream, track 3 is our mic. So the stream has to be on the same track. And what I do for that is, for your videos, it records both of them. You can easily mute it if you use like Premiere Pro or something what has multiple tracks. It's best. It's okay. One day you don't want to mix them together to make them sound good. Just leave it how your OBS levels are, and it'll be fine. And that's it. Have a bit of fun with the overlays, add display captures, as you can see. Or whatever, have fun. Muck around. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you did enjoy, please subscribe, like and share. Follow my social media in the comments. Follow me on Twitch. I stream, I stream not daily, but I'm going to try to be. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.